guys, my name is Sri Hari and I'm a product manager for Realme India, and today we're going to unbox the all new Realme Buds Q and I'm going to try to set it up and show you how to use it. The first thing that you do is unbox the Realme Buds Q. For that, simply take this tab from the bottom. There'll be a loop. Just take that out and the Realme Buds Q are the first thing that you're greeted with. Take the Buds Q out, of course. We have the Buds Q. Let's keep them here. Look at what else is in the box. Now, other things are actually at the bottom. So you take things out of the box. There's one more thing inside. There you go. So these are the three things that you get. One is the user guide, one is a micro USB cable, and of course interchangeable ear tips according to your own choice. So now that you've unboxed the Realme Buds Q, it's time to pair. Now what you can do is bring your smartphone closer. Here we are using the Realme X2 Pro. You can use an Android phone, an iOS phone, anything that you want. Now first thing to make sure is turn on Bluetooth. So let's turn on Bluetooth. Now let's put the Realme Buds Q in pairing mode. To do that, simply open the case. Now if you buy a new Realme Buds Q, you'll actually have a film on top of the touch areas of both buds. Here you do not have that, so simply hold the touch areas of both earbuds for 5 seconds. Wait for 5 seconds and you'll see the Realme Buds Q show up in the Bluetooth settings menu. There you go. The Buds Q have appeared. Touch on the Buds Q and they'll be connected to your smartphone. They're ready to use. Alternatively, you can also download the Realme Link app from the Google Play Store, put it on your Android phone, open the app, go into Add Device, Earphones and find Realme Buds Q. And as instructed in the app, open the Realme Buds Q case, hold the touch buttons on both buds for 5 seconds and the Realme Buds Q should show. Simply click this and the Buds Q will be connected to your smartphone instantly. The Realme Link app, once connected, will help you change your controls on the Realme Buds Q any way you want. Now that the Realme Buds Q are connected, to use touch control, simply know where the touch area is, which is this glossy patch on both the left and right buds with the R logo. So double tap on the touch area and your music will start playing. Double tap again and the music will pause. To move to the next track, just triple tap. And you can use all these functions as well as customize them in the Realme Link app. Double tapping can let you answer an incoming call, and if you long touch, then you can reject the call as well. Now, if you hold for 2 seconds from both sides, then you will be entering the gaming mode, and if you want to exit, you can do that with the same gesture. Just hold for 2 seconds. In fact, this time we have also added a gaming mode toggle right inside the Realme Link app as well, so you can quickly click that toggle and enter the gaming mode. So that was a quick tutorial for the Realme Buds Q. I hope you guys enjoy the music through the all new Realme Buds Q wirelessly.